Hello everyone, today we will explore the reasons behind why your monitor might be flickering on and off, as well as how to fix this common issue. Flickering on a monitor can stem from several causes, including outdated drivers, damaged or loose cables, or hardware problems with the monitor itself. To address this problem, you can follow these steps. Begin by inspecting the cables. Ensure the cable connecting the monitor to the computer is securely attached. If it appears loose, tighten it at both ends. Additionally, you can unplug and reconnect the cable to ensure a solid connection. If the cable is found to be damaged, replace it and check if the flickering persists. If the cable isn't the issue, the next step is to update the drivers. Drivers facilitate communication between the computer and the monitor. Start your computer in safe mode, then uninstall the current display adapter. After that, restart your PC. Navigate to Start, then Settings and select Windows Update. Check for updates and install any that are available. If updating the drivers doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing the monitor. Examine the monitor for any physical damage. Use the monitor's onboard buttons to see if the flickering is due to its settings. If these steps don't fix the problem, consult a technician to diagnose any potential hardware issues. Ultimately, if all else fails, replacing the monitor may be necessary. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.